Do I look better with these on? Could this be a good look for me? I don't know. They might be a little fancy. I'm more of a California boho girl. I'm so excited for this Thredup rescue box unboxing. Actually, if I'm honest with you guys, I'm a little bit nervous too. This is the Thredup designer DIY box. It costs $90 for only 5 items, so it's a pretty high cost of goods. It's a little risky, but they're so hard to get your hands on. These go up on the Thredup website. They sell out immediately. I haven't got my hands on one of these boxes in like 6 or 8 months. You can look on my channel. I have some older videos from a handful of months ago where I've got this box in the past. So if you're curious, check those out. And then let's get into this box. We'll just get into the box eventually. Yeah. Okay, as you can see, this box is not that big. I do a lot of Thredup rescue boxes. I usually get the 25 pound men's box or the 25 item women's box, like these huge boxes. This one is really not that big, so I'm gonna open it up right here with you now, and we'll take a look at the first view. Like, what do I see when I first open it? Okay, I see some shoes poking out. This is what it looks like. Now remember, friends, these are DIY boxes. They're called rescue boxes or reject boxes. They're things that didn't sell on Thredup's site, or they didn't even take on the site because maybe they had damage or condition issues, or if they took them on the site and they sat around too long without selling. So here we go, 90 bucks. And this is what we're looking at. A lot of, close one, a lot of shoes. It looks like maybe a bag, or I don't know. Let's get in here. Friends, I should probably introduce myself in case you're new. I'm Quenby and I'm a part-time reseller, so I buy these boxes so that I can turn around and sell them online on eBay and Poshmark. I've been on eBay selling fashion for over 10 years and Poshmark a few years, and I haven't been doing a lot of designer because right now I'm filming this in February 2021 during a pandemic. Most of us are like living in our cozy clothes, but I couldn't pass this box up when it came on the site because, like I said, it's hard to get your hands on. Okay, this first item is actually in a really good shape. It is a pair of Salvador Ferragamos. No surprise here if you are familiar with Thredup designer boxes. I feel like these are in like every box. Let's take a look at them. Boutique, made in Italy, that's good. When I do some research on comps, I'll pop that stuff up on the screen for you. Comps means comparable solds on sites like eBay. What are these actually selling for? And maybe what the retail price is. Now, these are not a vintage pair. I often see people getting the vintage pair. These are like a pretty modern black shoe, and actually I'm really pleased with the condition. Come on and focus for me, new camera, there we go. So they have sort of like a mixed leather there, a little bit of a heel, and maybe just a little bit of wear. So these can be cleaned up really nice, and we'll see what comps might be on. They're a pretty shoe. Salvador Ferragamo has been around a long time, super classic, well-known brand. They do have value. Oh my gosh, my first pair of Manolo Blahniks. Now, Manolo Blahniks are known more for their heels. Let me see if I can figure these out. I'll show you what I'm seeing first. There's the Manolo Blahnik, except I'm showing it to you upside down. Please don't look at my bad nails. I apologize. I live in Northern California and the nail salons are closed due to COVID stuff, and I'm trying to keep up with them on my own, and I'm not. Okay, so these are a size 36. Made in Italy, and you can tell the quality because this has an all leather tread or sole. So really nice shoes have that, like to spend the money to put leather on the bottom. These are like a gladiator sandal. Let me see if I can figure them out quickly while you're watching here, but it looks like this strap goes around the ankle. Now I don't know what pre-owned Manolo sandals go for, so I'll be sure to do a little research and put the comps up for you, but that's a cool looking shoe. It is like a gladiator style, so your toe goes through there, and then you've got an ankle strap. I mean, I'm gonna have to clean the bottoms, but no flaws or damaging that I'm noticing right off. Those are actually really cute, so maybe come spring, summer. I've never gotten so many pairs of shoes. Here's another pair of shoes. Like, usually I get like one pair of shoes and a bag and a shirt. Once I got some Burberry sunglasses in a DIY designer box. I got a Prada bag once, totally beat up, but still sold it for $100. These are Giuseppe Zanotti. Sorry, it's a little hard to see. These are interesting. I am not super familiar with these. Let's take them in. They're kind of unusual, very delicate. Like you put your foot in, and then here, all that is these little bands of beads are supposed to hold your foot in here. Here's the brand I'm looking at. I just am not the best at pronouncing everything. Giuseppe Zantoni design. The bottom needs some work. It's a kind of unusual here. They are made in Italy and they're a size 6. So I'll do a little bit of research on these. I don't know. They've got some wear for sure. Like I can see why Thredup didn't take these, but I can clean these up. I have videos on the channel, friends, about cleaning designer handbags, cleaning shoes at home. It's easy, it's inexpensive. I'm not afraid of that. I feel like my hair is looking weird. I feel like my bangs are a little weird. At least I don't have lipstick on my teeth. Oh my gosh, another pair of shoes. So that's 3 items, 3 pairs of shoes. And there's definitely, maybe there's 6 items. Did I get it wrong? $90. Oh, designer 7. Maybe I got 7 items for 90. Hey, that's better. Todd's. Todd's makes beautiful handbags. That's mostly what I see, but they are famous for like a driving moccasin. Todd's made in Italy. That's nice. These are a patent leather women's slip-on shoes with little flowers. Those are pretty cute, I would say. 38 size, made in Italy. And you can see, I don't appreciate when a shoe has a white sole because obviously it just gets so dirty. And this, you can see here, has got some like serious scuffing on the toe there. So these aren't in great shape. I've sold flawed designer items, no problem. I just disclose everything and take pictures, and you'll see me like with my finger in the listing pointing saying, note this flaw. Like I just disclose everything. Now this looks like Burberry. Like this looks like Burberry plaid. Now if I got Burberry with Burberry plaid, I'd be very happy. I would do like happy dance for you. And friends, I just want to take a moment to remind you to subscribe to the channel and make sure to turn on the little bell. The bell lets you know when I go live and do a live video or a new Thredup unboxing video comes out or one of my other videos. We'd love to have you, so please be sure to subscribe, turn on the bell. Thanks, friends. All right, made in England. It is, I think it's a Burberry jacket. Made in England, a quilted jacket with a Burberry lining would be amazing. Hope I'm not embarrassing myself and it's not gonna, it is. Burberry London, really nice. And you know what I love about this piece? Is that this is really practical. Like it's a black quilted jacket with the famous Burberry plaid lining. Let's look for flaws, friends. Snap front. I showed you that beautiful tag. So this is something somebody can actually wear and use like now. So, and I'll always, I do a little authentication work at home. If I get something really valuable that I don't want to take a risk on, you can pay for authentication services online for like 20 bucks. You take a bunch of pictures, you send them in. But I've been fortunate enough to be able to get enough information on my own at home by researching the brands and the telltale signs of the tags so that I feel confident listing. This is awesome. I don't know what size it is. It looks big. It looks like a large or something. Really, that's really nice. Okay, 2 more things and they're gonna be good. Let's see. I got some sunglasses, sunny glasses, wrapped in some bubble. They say DG, but like how do I know if these ones are legit? They feel amazing. Let's see, a little DG baby, a little Dolce & Gabbana. Let's check these out. Should I use these in my thumbnail? Posing. They feel amazing, I'm not gonna lie. These might be, what is that called, polarized? Because things look better with these on. Do I look better with these on? Could this be a good look for me? I don't know, they might be a little fancy. I'm more of a California boho girl. But let me just tell you. So again, I'll do a little research. Look at that studded DG, made in Italy here. I don't know if you can see that, but on the ends there. They feel amazing. Like they don't feel like cheap dollar store glasses. So I actually like them. They're kind of like an eggplant color. They're just, I don't know if I can get away with the rhinestoniness, but digging those. How do you think I'm doing with this box? Be sure to let me know in the comments your experience with Thredup boxes, DIY boxes. I have so many, probably like 1 million Thredup unboxings by now on my channel, so check those out. Prada jeans, I will take it. Prada, baby. Let's see. These look really nice. They look to be a mid-rise, kind of a capri, and a size 31. So that's like a 10-12 women's. So they're not a low rise. I'd say they're mid to high. Dark jeans, and I'd say they're straight. They're not boot cut. Straight, maybe a capri. Prada, Prada, Prada all over the town. Looking good. Okay, so I got some Prada jeans. Let's do a little recap. Salvador Ferragamo shoes, Prada jeans, Dolce & Gabbana, DG sunglasses, Burberry plaid jacket. This I just like the best. Todd's shoes, Manolo Blahnik sandals. I really like these. I wish they were like a pair of heels, but these are really nice. And these ones are questionable. Maybe they're gonna turn out to be amazing, but I don't know. They have condition issues. I don't know how anyone could wear this and like walk, but they're beautiful. All in all, a fantastic DIY box, definitely worth 90 bucks in my opinion. Let me know in the comments what you think.